Welcome to Chart Tank. This video provides a quick introduction for visualizing your project timeline with Gantt charts. Let's look at how a Gantt chart is structured. It features a task list where all your activities are listed. Then there's the timeline area showing when task activities start and finish. A header row at the top showing the time scale. You can also add one or two additional columns that can be placed to the left or right of the timeline area. The size of each area can be adjusted using the margin handles. Let's see how you can start working with your Gantt chart. To insert a Gantt chart, go to the Chart Tank tab in the PowerPoint ribbon, then click on Gantt. A template chart will appear on your active slide, ready for customization. Let's look at how to edit the task list. Each task row shows an activity in your project. To edit a task label, select it and hit Enter or double-click it. Press Ctrl plus Enter to insert a new line within label text. To quickly add a new task, just press Enter while editing the task text. You can also add tasks using the context menu. Right-click a row in the task column and select Insert. To add a subtask, right-click a task and select Insert Subtask. You can turn an existing task into a subtask using the Tab key. To indent it, press Shift plus Tab to promote it back. You can also move tasks up or down by dragging them. To delete a task, click on it and press the Delete key. Also, you can change the column heading by double-clicking it and typing your own text. To make your chart easier to read, you can add separators between tasks and turn on alternate row shading for better contrast. The timeline scale can be set manually or automatically to match your chart's content. To set it manually, use the calendar. To open calendar, select Row in Timeline Header and hit Enter. Or double-click it. Click the first date, hold Shift, and click the last date. Then hit OK to apply. You can also adjust the scale by dragging the timeline handles. Just select the timeline header row. Then drag the handles on the left or on the right. To make the scale automatic again, simply use the context menu command. To make chart easier to read, you can add separators and turn on alternate shading for better contrast. Now, let's review the timeline items. Activity bars. These horizontal bars represent the duration of each task. Their position and length correspond to the task start and end dates. Click a bar to select it. You'll see handles on each side. Drag a handle to adjust the corresponding date. A tooltip will show the exact date as you move. You can also reposition the bar by clicking and dragging it from anywhere outside the handles. Prefer to use the calendar? Just double-click the item, or press Enter while it's selected to open the date range editor. Want to show a tentative task? Right-click the bar and choose a dashed style. The mini toolbar gives you quick access to visual settings like background color, dash style, and label display options. You can also change the bar's date range directly from there. Inserting new bars. To insert a new bar, right-click a row and choose Insert Bar from the context menu. You can also copy an existing bar. Just select it and drag it holding Control key. To a new position, or use a faster method. Hold Alt, click at the desired start date, drag to the end date, and release to insert a new bar instantly. Milestones mark important events or deadlines. To insert a milestone, move the mouse to the desired position. A red vertical line and tool tip help you select the correct date. The target row will also be highlighted. Right-click row and select Milestone from the context menu. You can move the milestone by dragging it or double-click to set a new date using the calendar. Right-click a milestone to change its appearance using controls in Mini Toolbar. Chart Tank also supports additional timeline elements, such as date shades, date lines, and bar style variations, including processes, lines, and brackets, giving you full control over how your schedule is displayed. If an activity bar is inserted into a task row that has subtasks with their own activities, you can set it to automatically adjust its duration to match the full span of those subtasks. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website for more tutorials.